Click on Menu Self-Test Valve Self-Test right side panel, then press LV96 to open it. Disconnect the sheath flow tube and attach a medical syringe. Use the syringe to draw and push to check if the sheath flow is clogged. Attach a second medical syringe filled with 2 ml of diluted cleanser, and push the cleanser through the sheath flow. Check if WC2 shows any liquid drops. Disconnect the syringe and reconnect the LDSB tube. Let the cleanser soak for 20 minutes. Disconnect the LDSC tube and attach a medical syringe. Draw the liquid inside to avoid particles getting stuck. Afterward, connect the syringe with diluted cleanser and push it through the flow cell chamber. Check if WC2 has liquid drops. If so, the flow cell chamber is filled with cleanser. Reconnect the LDSC tube and let the cleanser soak for 20 minutes. Then, click on Maintenance Clean Optical Flow Chamber to initiate optical channel cleaning.